In this assessment then, you're going to answer the question, why did the Great Plague of 1665 kill so many people? This answer is going to be in the style of a GCSE Paper 3 answer, where you are going to write a mini essay of a minimum of 3 PEA paragraphs. Put your name in the top and identify the pathway, please, that you have to hit as a minimum or attempt to exceed. Please, underneath, you can see the descriptor of what it is that you need to evidence. Alright, we are only testing you on the extended writing here. Using sources and evidence will not be necessarily the focus of this particular piece of work. So, the sheet over. The writing frame then. You need to provide me an introduction and a minimum of 3 paragraphs. In your introduction, provide me with the context. In this answer, I will. So set the scene. Who are we talking about? When are we talking about? What are we talking about? Provide me a little bit of a story, a narrative. Set the scene. I will argue. Tell me what it is you will be arguing for. Which was the most important reason why the plague was so destructive? Or the fire so destructive? Then tell me, please, in your introduction, what the 3 paragraphs are that you will be discussing. So you've got your scene setting, your context, your argument, and your plan. Then, your first paragraph, which should be about the most important reason. Here is your writing frame. Please use it. You don't need to worry about the reliability because you might well not be using a source. Your point, your evidence, your analysis. This explains to me why the Great Plague or the Great Fire was so destructive. Repeat for your second paragraph and for your third. Ideally, each of the paragraphs in turn should be ranked in order of importance. The most important first reason in paragraph 1, the second in paragraph 2, and then on to your third. Use the writing frame to help you construct your work. Please make sure that you color code your point, your evidence, analysis in each of your paragraphs. Please make sure you identify the 3 elements of your introduction. Please make sure you identify your strongest paragraph and explain why that is the one that the teacher should particularly focus on in your marking. Use the writing frame to help you construct your essay.